The question is to discuss the nature of bonding in metal carbonyls. The answer is the metal carbon bond in metal carbonyls has both sigma and pi character. Basically, the M denotes the metal and C denotes the carbon. The MC sigma bond is generated due to the donation of lone pair of electrons on the carbonyl at carbon into a vacant orbital of the metal, whereas the MC pi bond is formed due to the donation of pair of electrons from a filled d orbital of metal into the vacant empty anti-bonding pi star orbital of carbon monoxide. This is a carbonyl group. As a result, this metal to ligand bonding leads to a synergic effect which strengthens the bond between CO and metal. So what this entire paragraph means is that this is CO carbon and this is the metal. Okay. So what happens is that this electron, this is the basic what is happening inside the coordination compound is that carbon is providing an electron and forming a bond with a MC single bond. Okay. So basically, this is what is happening, and if the charge, if there is a lone pair of electrons in the d orbital of this metal, it can also donate it to the carbonyl group. Okay. So what happens is that if it donates a lone pair of electrons in the to the carbon, the strength between these two MC bond increases. Okay, so basically this is a pi bond in which M donates a lone pair of electron to this group, CO group. Okay, this is what is shown in the figure also. This is known as synergy bonding. Okay, if the lone pair of electron of the metal donates in the carbonyl group. Okay, as you can see M, and you can see the sigma bond and the pi bond when lone pair of electrons are donated to the carbonyl group. So this is also known as synergic bond.